touch the greater trochanter on the right. So that's here on the side of the foot, of the leg. Right? Touch the greater trochanter. And now, so until now, we did the feet, we did the head, we didn't do any variations with the pelvis. Now we're going to do variation with the pelvis. You're going to take the right pelvis to the right, head to the left, and then you're going to come over your right leg with your head. So you're going to bring that area here of the greater trochanter in and bring your whole body over the right leg. And then back. So both feet are on the floor now, 3 times. Pelvis to the right, head to the left, and then bring your body over the right leg. It's much easier to do this movement, but it's the same movement. It's the same relative movement of taking your leg out. All right? Take the stance a little, right? You take your leg, you abduct the leg. It's the same muscle that does it. But now instead of abducting the leg, you bring the body over the leg. All right? Who is, when you shift the pelvis to the right, head to the left is more on the left. But if you want to do small movement, just do small movements, and then it will, it might stay on the right or might be in the middle. Now you just notice what is happening in your foot when you're doing that and what is happening in the muscle. It will be another muscle engagement. This is just a how do you call it? Preview of attractions that are covered. Pelvis to the right, head to the left. Notice where is the shift of the weight, and then you come over your right leg, lift the left heel. Okay, I feel it more on the back. I feel my glutes on the back. Not that that's the right answer, but that's what I feel. And then back.